Are you dreaming of working in one of the world's happiest and richest countries, Norway? In this video, I'll take you through the exact step-by-step process to apply for a Norway Work Visa in 2025, without depending on any agent or scammer. And yes, I'll also share a special 299 course where I personally guide you through job applications, resume building, and employer outreach, so don't miss out. Section 1. Why Norway? Overlay footage of cost of living, wages, happiness index. Norway has a high demand for skilled workers, especially in sectors like construction, healthcare, IT and engineering, maritime and oil and gas skilled trade. High salaries, clean environment, low corruption, and family visa options make it ideal for migrants. Section 2. Job search. The first step is finding a job, and for this, you don't need an agent. Here are the official websites to find genuine job openings: Kolonov.no official gov portal, jobbnorge.no academic, govjobs closing parenthesis spin.no eures Europe wide portal. Tip: use keywords like English speaking, international applicants, and filter by industry. Insert soft promo if you don't know how to write cold emails, or tailor your CV for European employers. My 299 course gives you exact templates plus personal guidance from me. Section 3. Job offer and documents. Once you get a job offer, here are the documents you'll need. Valid passport, signed employment contract, proof of accommodation optional, but helps academic plus experience documents, police clearance, a visa application form.